Hello again, entrepreneurs, business leaders, business networkers. I want to show you how to use YouTube to grow your business and grow with an interactive YouTube channel. Now, let me give you a quick tip right now. I'm using AI to create an AI-generated teleprompter right here on my phone. So what I can do is I can actually look right at my phone and read the message on my phone while I'm creating a YouTube video right now. And I can also explain how you can get AI Publicity Express just by leaving a comment with your name and a little story about your company. Then I will create a video about you and your company, and I will answer your question with a video so I can promote you with what I call AI Publicity Express. So let's get started. Now, here's my teleprompter. Attention viewers, the key to a successful YouTube channel isn't just the number of subscribers. What really matters is creating an interactive community with your audience. That's why I'm giving you this incredible opportunity to promote yourself. I strongly encourage you to engage with this channel by posting your questions, your comments, your feedback, and interact with me, and I promise to respond. Now, if you have any questions at all about AI, because I believe AI is as broad as life, but also about business or any topic, post them in the comments below. I will then use an AI to produce a custom video response all about you and your business and answer your question using AI. This is a great way to get free publicity for you and exposure. All you need to do is post your question along with a short description of your company and what you do. I will take care of the rest. I will create this AI video. I will show you how to use an interactive video to interact with your audience to help you to grow your audience and grow your business as well. So AI videos are a unique way for outreach business networking, but you absolutely must interact and promote engagement if you want to see your business featured, and I'd love to do that. So go ahead, start a conversation, subscribe, put in a comment, ask a question. I have 30 years of experience in media marketing, and I don't want to brag, but I have tons of testimonials. I've helped my clients sell hundreds of millions of dollars worth of products and services, but it was costing me $500,000 a year to earn $1 million a year. So my whole thing now is to help you learn and understand how to use AI to reduce your cost down to next to nothing and still have the potential to earn $1 million a year. So go ahead, start a conversation. This channel is driven by you, the viewers. The more you participate, the more videos I can make to address your interests while promoting your brand. Let's work together on this interactive community. Now, these are called AI Audibles. And as you can see, this is my magazine. And what I do is I feature both superstars of media, like Marie Forleo, but I also focus on promoting up-and-coming future stars of media, like Mia Tor, who I absolutely think is amazing. She's a superstar because she also is a single mom with 2 kids, and she's doing an amazing job. She's absolutely brilliant. So tune into AI Audibles. Even if you don't want to really get started yet with AI, I'm starting a course called Think and Grow Rich with AI Audibles, and this is for smart people and dummies alike. And you're invited. You can figure out if you are a smarty or a dummy. So join me with AI Audibles and make this YouTube channel interactive. I promise to help you in every way I can if you do. Thanks for joining me. I'm Mike Hayes, and I look forward to talking to you soon.